Hello, this is Lee Hollins with Cedar Hammock Fire Rescue in Manatee County. We're doing various training minute videos on realistic training props, and I would just like to bring to your attention that these particular scenarios we're doing are not instructional scenarios. This is not for instructional purposes. It's to show how you can use these various props is what it's all about. So we try to be realistic, but we have some brand new recruits that we're using for this particular segment, and we have some experienced people also, and we have some experienced officers, but we don't want anyone to try to pick apart the actual tactics that are used. It is just to show how these props can be used in various ways, okay? So we just wanted to bring that to your attention. Thank you. Hello, this is Battalion Chief Lee Hollins with Cedar Hammock Fire Rescue in Manatee County, Florida. We're at the Emergency Services Training Facility, and we're filming a segment on realistic training props. The next segment that you will see deals with confined space rescue and the use of a realistic prop for that type of rescue work. The particular prop that we have here is attached to the back of a structure that we call Fort Rescue, and we use this prop for various rescue simulations dealing with confined spaces. The prop itself has 4 vaults, some larger than others, some as tall as 9 feet, where that would simulate a vault that would typically be subterranean in the ground. These vaults are connected with various size pipes. We have a 40-foot pipe that is 36 inches in diameter that goes from vault 1 to vault 2. We have a 48-inch pipe which is about 30 feet long that goes from vault number 2 to vault number 3, and then we have an 18-inch pipe about 20 feet long which connects vault number 3 with vault number 4. Each of the vaults have a manhole at the top and a deck built so that we have a safe work platform that would simulate ground level, and there's a manhole on top of each of these vaults where we can practice our various rescue techniques using tripods or rope systems. You can use ladders, whatever the situation may be that would be best for the particular rescue at hand. We also have electrical components inside the vaults, and we have an electrical control box where lockout and tagout procedures can be correctly performed. So this is about as real as it gets without having the hazards of any type of dangerous toxic gases or low oxygen environments. The evolution that we're going to perform for this confined space mock-up prop is going to be a simulation where you have a worker who is down inside a manhole and inside a pipe system. That worker was inside the pipe doing some work to electrical components within that pipe, and the attendant who was outside of the space above the manhole noticed that his worker was not communicating with him anymore. So that attendant went ahead and called in rescue services. When the rescue services arrive, they will evaluate the situation. Their priorities will be, first of all, is this going to be a rescue or a recovery? Second, how many victims may be present? And third, what are the hazards involved? So you'll see the first arriving engine company communicating with the attendant, asking these questions, and from that particular information, that engine company will develop an action plan, call in additional resources. In this case, it'll be a heavy rescue unit with personnel that are trained in confined space rescue work. When the second unit arrives, they will get with the engine company officer, discuss the situation, and some of the various tasks that you will see perform will be lockout, tag out to control the energy. They will access one of the manholes and drop a ladder in. They will, as soon as possible, test the atmosphere within that space to see what those hazards may be. They will also set up ventilation equipment. They'll send a rescuer in to evaluate the situation, communicate out what the situation is and what needs to be done to mitigate that particular incident. From there, you will see the rescue personnel setting up a tripod and a block and tackle system which will be used to extract the victim from within the confined space through the manhole.
BFD setting up the tripod on that side. Okay. Just go inside and stabilize and talk to him. We're going to put a vent down. As soon as we put a vent down, we'll send another guy down. I'm going to go ahead and drag him over to that opening and get him ready. Okay. You going to need another guy down there? Ready? No, I'm good. You going to need another one? No, I'm good. All right, buddy. I'm going to stick you up, okay? I'm going to try to stick you down. I'm going to drag you back down the wall, okay? You think you can help me out at all?
This is Lee Hollins. Thanks for watching Training Minute videos.